The legal framework for environmental protection in Punjab, centered on the Punjab Environmental Protection Act, is legislatively robust and comparable to foundational acts in neighboring states like India, Bangladesh, and Nepal. All these nations possess strong statutes that mandate pollution control, regulate hazardous waste, and require environmental impact assessments for major projects. However, implementation is a chronic challenge across the region, stemming from a lack of institutional capacity and political will. While India has distinguished itself with its specialized National Green Tribunal for rapid dispute resolution, giving it a relative advantage in enforcement, Punjab and most other provinces in Pakistan struggle with environmental tribunals that are often under-resourced and slow, reducing the deterrent effect of the law on industrial and municipal polluters. A significant disparity is evident in institutional strength and judicial activism. Countries such as Sri Lanka have established a well-defined system of mandatory environmental impact assessments and use their central environmental authority with greater consistency, demonstrating a more streamlined approach to environmental governance than the generally fragmented system in Punjab. Similarly, while judicial activism has been a powerful force in both Pakistan and India in declaring the right to a clean environment as a fundamental right, the practical on-the-ground compliance in Punjab remains hindered by corruption and a lack of technical expertise within monitoring agencies. This institutional weakness results in a considerable gap between the stringent laws written on paper and the daily reality of widespread pollution and non-compliance. The primary environmental challenge for Punjab, air pollution, reveals a mixed implementation record compared to its regional neighbors. In the context of the annual smog crisis, Punjab has pioneered localized laws like the smog prevention and control rules, focusing on specific polluters like brick kilns and crop burning, an issue also rampant in the border region of India. Conversely, smaller nations like Bhutan have prioritized conservation and carbon neutrality from the outset, integrating environmental goals deeply into their development policy, leading to inherently stronger compliance and less reliance on punitive enforcement measures. This proactive approach contrasts sharply with the reactive, enforcement-heavy strategy often employed in Punjab to temporarily curb crises. Ultimately, while Punjab and its peers in South Asia, including Maldives and Nepal, share similar problems of competing economic priorities, overriding environmental safeguards, the enforcement deficits are remarkably consistent. In all these nations, industrial growth is often prioritized, leading to nominal fines and delayed judicial action against non-compliant industries. The implementation gap in Punjab, characterized by insufficient funding for monitoring technology and political interference, reflects a broader South Asian governance challenge where environmental protection, despite clear legal provisions, has yet to be elevated to an absolute, non-negotiable priority for local administration and enforcement bodies.